In high-stakes situations, having the right knife can be a game-changer. Military tactical knives are built to handle extreme conditions, offering reliability and strength whether you're deep in the wilderness or navigating an urban setting. These aren't just cutting tools, they're survival essentials designed for everything from building shelter to self-defense. With so many options out there, finding the perfect tactical knife can feel overwhelming. That's why we've compiled our top picks for 2024, the 10 ultimate military tactical knives for survival and self-defense. Get ready to explore the toughest blades that promise durability, versatility, and peace of mind in any situation. Let's jump right in. Prepare for any situation with the Smith & Wesson Extreme Ops Folding Knife, a compact, reliable tool built for everyday carry. Measuring 7.1 inches overall with a 3.1-inch partially serrated blade, this knife combines functionality and strength with its high-carbon 7CR17 MOV stainless steel construction. The black oxide finish not only enhances durability but also provides a rugged, stealthy look ready for the outdoors. The knife's aluminum handle is lightweight yet sturdy, featuring ambidextrous thumb knobs, an index flipper, and a secure liner lock to keep the blade safely in place. Jimping along the handle and blade spine offers added control, while the pocket clip ensures convenient carry on the go. Whether you're tackling tough tasks or simply need a dependable EDC option, the Smith & Wesson Extreme Ops Folding Knife is crafted to perform. Backed by a limited lifetime warranty, this knife is designed to be a lasting companion in your gear. CRKT Ramadi Fixed Blade Knife, a tool built for toughness and precision, crafted to handle your toughest outdoor and tactical challenges. Featuring a high-performance SK5 carbon steel blade, this knife offers excellent edge retention, ensuring it stays sharp even through the most demanding tasks. The full tang construction adds to its strength and durability, making it a reliable companion in the field. The black coating on the blade enhances corrosion resistance, ensuring your knife stays in prime condition even under harsh conditions. For maximum control during use, the blade comes equipped with friction grooves that offer a secure grip, while the G10 handle provides exceptional comfort and grip in all conditions, whether you're in wet, dry, or muddy environments. With a 4.37-inch blade and an overall length of 8.5 inches, the CRKT Ramadi weighs 5.6 ounces, making it a balanced, easy-to-carry option. The knife includes a sheath for secure storage and convenient carry. Whether you're in the wild or handling tactical situations, the Ramadi is designed to meet your needs. Get ready to handle any task with the Snake-Eye Tactical Everyday Carry Spring Assist Folding Pocket Knife. With a total length of 9 inches when open, this knife combines a sharp, 3.85-inch stainless steel hawkbill blade with a durable, 5-inch aluminum handle, perfect for reliable cutting power and grip. Compact yet powerful, it's an essential tool for anyone needing a quick, dependable knife for everyday carry. Equipped with spring assist for fast deployment, this knife includes a convenient belt clip for secure carry, keeping it easily accessible yet safely concealed. Built with ambidextrous use in mind, it's designed for smooth, effective handling. Remember, this is a sharp tool, so handle with care for your safety. Whether you're adding it to your collection or need a versatile everyday knife, Snake-Eye Tactical combines practicality and edge retention, making it the perfect go-to. Just be sure to check your local laws before carrying. Introducing the Kershaw Secret Agent 4007, a sleek, tactical fixed-blade knife built for those who value reliability and style in their everyday carry. Featuring a 4.4-inch blade crafted from 8CR13 MOV high-carbon stainless steel, this knife is heat-treated to boost performance and edge retention, making it ideal for both heavy-duty tasks and precision cuts. With its fierce black oxide coating, the blade resists corrosion and minimizes light reflection, delivering both practicality and a stealthy aesthetic. The handle's textured rubber overmold provides a secure, non-slip grip, even in challenging conditions. Encased within a reinforced synthetic polymer, it's designed for comfort and stability, ensuring you maintain control when it matters most. This lightweight yet rugged handle structure enhances the knife's durability without compromising on style. Packaged with a versatile, high-performing sheath, the Secret Agent offers multiple carry options, including belt, UWB, and leg carry. Perfect for the tactical enthusiast or outdoor adventurer, this knife is ready for action, cutting through everything from plastic and rope to kelp and fiberglass. Gear up with Kershaw's Secret Agent and experience durability and precision like never before. Gerber Gear Fixed Blade Survival Knife, a tough, practical companion for outdoor enthusiasts, tradesmen, and campers alike. With a 3.9-inch stainless steel, stonewash finished drop-point blade, this knife is built to handle everything from tough campsite tasks to daily worksite needs. The ergonomic micarta handle offers a secure grip that withstands wear, making it ready for years of adventure and reliability in any condition. This slim, lightweight knife packs neatly into your gear. A glass-filled nylon ambidextrous sheath with lash points and a removable belt loop allows versatile carry options, while a secondary retention strap ensures the blade stays secure. This sleek, low-profile design is perfect for stowing in a glove box, attaching to your belt, or slipping into a camping pack. Built with durability and convenience in mind, this knife weighs only 4.06 ounces but packs a punch in functionality. Backed by the Gerber guarantee, it's a must-have for anyone ready to conquer the wild or the worksite. Meet the Kershaw Appa Folding Tactical Pocket Knife, an everyday essential designed for versatility and lightweight performance. Equipped with a 2.75-inch black reverse tanto blade, this knife is razor-sharp, making it ideal for cutting through tape, boxes, and rope with ease. Crafted with several cutouts in the handle, the Appa stays light yet durable, ready for a wide range of tasks. The SpeedSafe assisted opening feature allows quick, one-handed blade deployment, secured by a liner lock for safe use. Customize your carry with a reversible pocket clip and a lanyard hole, so it's always accessible wherever your day takes you. Measuring 6.5 inches open and 3.6 inches closed, and weighing just under 2 ounces, this knife is the perfect blend of portability and function. Designed for anyone from outdoor enthusiasts to professionals, the Kershaw Appa delivers a tactical look and quality performance at an affordable price, making it an unbeatable EDC choice. Unleash versatility and strength with the Tac Force TF-705 spring-assisted folding knife. Designed with police, military, and rescue needs in mind, this compact powerhouse boasts a 3.25-inch rainbow T-Night-coated stainless steel drop-point blade, combining corrosion resistance with razor-sharp performance. Lightweight and compact at 7.75 inches overall, it's perfect for outdoor adventures, emergency readiness, and everyday carry. Equipped with rapid spring-assisted opening and a finger flipper, the TF-705 ensures fast deployment when it counts. With added features like a pocket clip, glass punch, and bottle opener, this knife is a complete survival tool in one sleek package. Its liner lock and sturdy black aluminum handle offer durability and secure grip, keeping you ready for any challenge. From hiking and hunting to tactical applications, the Tac Force TF-705 is a reliable companion, blending practicality with robust construction for those who demand quality in every situation. Kershaw Deschutes Skinner Fixed Blade, the perfect tool for your hunting adventures, designed for precision skinning and durability. Crafted with a full-tang construction, this knife features a D2 steel blade that offers outstanding edge retention, strength, and hardness, while the stone-washed finish hides used scratches, keeping it looking sharp on every trip. The ergonomic polypropylene handle is contoured for a comfortable, secure grip, and the olive rubber overlay ensures excellent traction in various conditions. A strategically placed thumb ramp and finger choil enhance control, allowing you to tackle skinning with accuracy. Whether you're processing wild game or performing other hunting tasks, the Deschutes Skinner is designed for top-tier performance. Weighing just 3.3 ounces, 4.9 ounces with sheath, this lightweight yet reliable knife includes a molded sheath with webbing slots, a drainage hole, and a removable belt strap for secure carry. With a 3.9-inch blade and an overall length of 8.65 inches, the Kershaw Deschutes Skinner is your ultimate hunting companion. Meet the Mossy Oak Mini Folding Pocket Knife, a compact yet powerful EDC tool designed for versatility and strength. With a 2.5-inch stainless steel drop-point blade, this knife offers improved edge retention, toughness, and corrosion resistance thanks to its 3CR13 matte stone-washed finish. At just 6 inches when opened and 3.5 ounces, it's lightweight and easy to carry, making it the perfect companion for any task, big or small. Crafted with a stylish black G10 handle, this knife offers a comfortable, non-slip grip, allowing for a steady hand during any cutting task. Its secure liner lock prevents accidental closures, so you can trust it even during heavy-duty use. When it's time to stow away, simply release the liner lock with a light push for safe closure. Beyond its cutting edge, the Mossy Oak Mini is a multifunctional marvel. Equipped with a bottle opener, glass breaker, cord cutter, and box cutter, this knife is a versatile essential that fits seamlessly in your pocket or clips onto your belt, ready for whatever the day brings. Cold Steel Double Agent, crafted by renowned knife maker Wesson, this neck knife series offers a choice between a karambit or clip point blade, each tailored for versatility and strength. With a thin, flat profile and ultra-lightweight design, just over 3 ounces, including the SecureX sheath, the Double Agent is both easy to conceal and exceptionally comfortable for all-day carry. What sets this knife apart is its unique double-ring handle design. By slipping your index and pinky fingers through the integral steel rings, you can close your fist for a firm, reliable grip that offers superior control in various tasks and scenarios. This innovative feature not only enhances your hold, but also gives the knife an unmistakable, tactical edge. Designed for anyone needing a discreet yet robust tool, the Double Agent excels in everyday tasks and defense situations. Its compact build and secure hold make it an ideal choice for both seasoned users and those new to neck knives.